Hey guys, this is a 16-inch MacBook Pro. This is the 2023. The chip is M3 Max, and the RAM is 48 gigabyte. And you can see the storage is 1 terabyte. The battery capacity is 100%. Cycle count 76. And let me show you the GPU 40 cores and the CPU 16 cores. It is a black color. You can see this condition is very good. And you can see the top cover. Also no problem. And let me show you this price. And this is the Chinese yuan, and this is US dollars, this is euro, and HK dollars. And if you want to buy, you can contact me. And also you can check out this back cover. Also no scratches, the back cover. And let me show you the HDMI port. No scratches. Also no scratches. And let me show you the charging port. No scratches. Okay, no scratches. And let me show you the display. Okay, you can see the display. I changed the wallpaper. Okay, you can see the gray color. The gray color. The gray color. You can see no bright sparks, no dark sparks. Okay. No problem. No problem. And let me show you the red color. Okay, the red color also no problem. Okay, beautiful. If you want to buy, you can contact me, and I will upload this machine on my website, and you can check out this. Okay. This is beautiful.
我今天把机器拿到人了，摆一下。12826都拿过来是吗？明天12826都拿过来，明天我哥过来拿。我们家本来就很新，没啥问题。
No problem.
今天我哥我好，这边呢。
We have a lot of different models. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Okay. This is also M1 16 512 gigabytes.